Hi guys! Welcome back sa YouTube channel ko. So for today, meron tayong math problem coming from the August 2019 Electrical Engineering Boards. And this is under ng complex numbers. Pero before that, shoutout muna sa pinakamaganda kong fan from Bulsu, si Engineer Abigail Masil, and sa pinakapogi niyang best friend na si Regine Edward. And thank you so much mga Lodi Geeks sa patuloy na support sa channel natin and kay Sir IJ. And I hope maging engineer kayo in the futures, especially electronics engineers. So yung problem natin is simplify I raised to the 39 power. So sa calculator kasi natin guys, hindi siya pwedeng ma-input. Pero kung alam natin ang basic concept na ang I is equal to the square root of negative 1, so I is a complex number which is equal to square root of negative 1. Okay? So kapag yung I, minultiply natin by itself, that is I squared, square root of negative 1 multiplied by square root of negative 1, matatanggal lang yung square root. Baka kasi ang iisipin natin, square root of negative 1 times square root of negative 1 is square root of 1 which is 1. Hindi po. When we are talking about complex numbers, I times I or I squared is equal to negative 1 mga Lodi Kicks. Okay? So negative 1. Ayusin natin. So that is equal to negative 1 pala, Sir IJ. Yes. How about I cube, Sir IJ? So yung I cube naman natin, that is I squared times I. So that is negative 1 times I. So that is negative I. Kapag yung I to the fourth naman natin, yung I to the fourth is simply equal to I squared multiplied by I squared. Negative 1 multiplied by negative 1. So that is positive 1. And when we evaluate I raised to the fifth power, so I raised to the fifth power will be equal to I to the fourth multiplied by I. Babalik na po tayo sa I. So ano pong ibig sabihin yan, Sir IJ? So when we are expanding I or when we are raising I to a certain power, so there is what we call a cyclicity of 4. Ibig sabihin, umuulit siya every 4 times. So ano po yung ibig sabihin ng 4 times? Anong gagawin natin to get or to simplify this expression? So that means that we have to get the remainder of the exponent 39 when divided by 4. Kasi nga, every 4 times siya umuulit. So, 39 divided by 4. So, kapag sinimplify natin to guys, that is 9 remainder 3. So, kapag may remainder 3, ibig sabihin yung pangatlo siya guys. 1, 2, 3. Therefore, ang magiging final answer natin dito, so I raised to 39 is equal to negative I, mga idolo. Sir IJ, paano po kung walang remainder na nakuha? Ito kapag remainder 1 ay pa rin. Pag remainder 2, negative 1. Pag remainder 3, negative I. Kapag remainder 0 or walang remainder, that is equal to 1. Kumbaga kunyari, I raised to the 2024th power. Ang 2024 is divisible by 4, kaya ang I raised to the 2024th power is equal to 1. So that is just an example. But for this board problem, the correct answer is letter A. So kung iisipin nyo guys, napaka-basic lang ng ganitong problem. So wag nyo nang pakawalan yung 1 point. Especially dun sa mga mag-take ng boards sa kahit anumang engineering yan. And maraming salamat sa mga Lodi Geeks natin na patuloy na sumusuporta sa channel natin. I hope kahit pa paano na-refresh ko kayo for today's video. And yun guys, ingat kayo palagi and sana mas marami pa kayo matutunan sa mga past, present, or even future tutorial videos si Sir IJ. Thank you so much everyone. Bye-bye and God bless.